traditional cleaning methods taking too much time? Meet the power of precision. ThoroughClean Ultrasonic Generator Module, engineered for fast, efficient, and high-performance industrial cleaning. Built with advanced ultrasonic frequency technology, this high-frequency power module delivers consistent ultrasonic waves for deep and accurate cleaning of industrial components. From automobile components to precision engineering, jewelry, molds, sanitary fittings, and industrial parts, ThoroughClean ensures superior cleaning performance across multiple industries. Fast cleaning, compact design, energy-efficient operation, durable performance, and multi-purpose applications designed to maximize productivity while reducing downtime. With stable frequency control and powerful ultrasonic output, this generator module ensures reliable performance for modern cleaning systems. Upgrade your cleaning process with precision technology, ThoroughClean Ultrasonic Generator Module, where power meets performance. Contact us today. Call now 981-006-5675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.